ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। श्रीशङ्कराचार्यनवावतारं विश्वेश्वरं विश्वगुरुं प्रणम्य वेदान्तशास्त्रश्रवणालसानां बोधाय कुर्वे कमपि प्रबन्धम्। न भूमेर्न तोयं न तेजो न वायुर्न खन्नेन्द्रियं वा न तेषां समूहः अनैकान्तिकत्वात् सुषुप्त्येकसिद्धस्तदेको वसिष्ठः शिवः केवलोऽहम्. So it is established that Atma, even though it is Nirupa, formless, Niravayava, partless, like Akasha, it can have Pratibimba. Just as Akasha's Pratibimba is there in Jala. Now, Shankate, page number 23, Shankate, Shanka is there. In the Moolam now. Tatapi Atmanah Pratibimbe Kim Manam Iti Chet Shrunu. He says, what you have established is a possibility of reflection of Atma. Consciousness can get reflected. See, really speaking, we are talking about Pratibimba of Atma here. But generally, all the discussions, they look like they are talking about reflection of consciousness. You have to catch the difference. When we say reflection of Atma, means Sat, Chit, Ananda, all three. And other also you can take, but at least this minimum, because Satchidananda is the Swarupam of Atma, is well accepted. And then when we say Chidabhasa, Chit Pratibimba, Chit Chaya, all these words, they are representing only Chaitanya Pratibimba. But that means there is possibility of existence also getting reflected, Pratibimbita. And so also Ananda, Ananda Pratibimba is there. Bhagavan Bhashyakar uses this word Ananda Pratibimba, Anandam Pratibimbatya Chumbita Tanuhu. In Anandamaya Kosha, Viveka Chudamani Shloka. So, Ananda Pratibimba will also be there in the form of reflected Ananda. Vrittistamo Jrumbita, and there Ananda Vritti will be Tamo Ujrumbita Vritti. Means Tamo Guna is also there in Sushupti, Anandamaya Kosha. Syada Anandamaya Digunakaha San. Priya Adi Gunakaha. So Priya, Moda and Pramoda. These three are also there. Swechartha Labodaya. So Swa Ishta, right? Sweshtartha, Swa Ichartha. Or Icha means whatever is my Ishta, there, if the Labha is there, then Labhe Priya, then Sannikrishte Moda, and Aikye Pramoda. When I become one with it, then Pramoda. Like that, he explains. So, Pratibimba can be of Ananda also. And similarly, Pratibimba of Sat also. That Sat Pratibimba will be that everything appears as Asti, Asti, Asti. So, that is not Satta Matra, it is expression of Satta. In this way, you have to remember. So, now he says, you have established the possibility of reflection of Atma. But you have to give pramana for that. Atmanah pratibimbe kim manam pramanam iti chet shrunu. Tika. Yadyapi uktaritya atmano rupavatva abhave api indriya grahyatva abhave api cha tat pratibhimbam sambhavati iti. So, pratibhimbam sambhavati. This is called sambhavana. Like in Adhyasa Bhashya, there is sambhavana bhashya. Possibility of superimposition. Like that here there is possibility of chit pratibhimbam. How? Yadyapi means you have to remember. The moment when they say yadyapi, some tathapi is going to come. Yadyapi, even though this is like that, tathapi, but still. So he needs pramanam for this. Okay. So yadyapi uktaritya atmano rupavatva abhave api, even though atma is devoid of any attributes, devoid of any form, rupavatva abhave api, indriya grahyatva abhave api cha, another hetu. Two hetus are given. Second hetu is Atma is also indriya agrahya. So, indriya grahyatva abhave api cha atmanaha tat pratibhimbam sambhavati iti. This pratibimba is possible. Iti pratibimba rupena manasi tasya sambandha yogyata sadhita. In mind, you have sambandha yogyata of Atma with pratibimba. Pratibimba rupena manasi tasya atmanaha sambandha yogyata sadhita. That yes, there is a possibility of Atma having a pratibimba. In your mind, this much conviction has come now. So you see how thought process moves, In the beginning, when we are told Jagat is mithya. So first, what is our thinking? Asambhavana. There is no such thing possible. Jagat cannot be mithya. Then, through all the logical discussion and all, we understand, yes, it is possible. So then, there is sambhavana. Then I want some pramana. And some wise person says that, then I cannot say no, even though I may want to refute the possibility of mithyatva. If a wise person has said, then I will say, if this person thinks like this, let me also think little bit more. So then the samskaras of Jagat Mithyatva slowly comes. In the beginning, when we hear Brahma Satyam Jagan Mithya, like a parrot we can repeat it. But Jagat is not mithya, in particular when the food doesn't come at right time. 2-3 days, if the food doesn't, forget 2-3 days. 2-3 hours if the food is late, then also you will realize how mithya is this Jagat. And how this Pramata goes on complaining until I realize Pramata is also mithya. So, yogyata sadhita. Tathapi manasi atma pratibhimbam asti eva iti na nishchaya. But in the mind, Atma's pratibhimba is there. That nishchaya jnanam is not there. And always, it is this nishchaya jnanam that alone is pramanam. So, this is sambhava. Why? He gives example. Yataha sambhavo na nishchayakam pramanam. This sambhava, possibility, will not give you nishchaya. Nishchaya will be through praman. Like for example, let us say outside the hall you see somebody's chappals. So there is a possibility that this person is inside. Then someone says, somebody else also has same chappal. Then now you have doubt. Now samshaya is there. So from sambhavana you can go to samshaya. Earlier you had asambhavana, impossibility. From asambhavana you come to sambhavana. From sambhavana it can go to samshaya. Or somebody may again say, no, this person leaves his chappal anywhere and he walks in the ashram most of the time without chappal. Then again you say chappals are here but person may not be here. So again samshaya can come. Until you pratyaksha see that person there. So that pratyaksha pramana alone will establish. Or if shabda pramana, somebody else says, yes, he is there. Like that. So sambhava is not nishchayakam pramanam. Drishtanta he gives. Nahi vane durato drishyamane vastuni sthanurva purushova iti samshaye sati. Nahi you live. So vane durato drishyamane vastuni. In the forest, some far thing is there. Like our forest behind Kailash, right? In the ashram. So many trees are there. And if you go like very early morning or in the evening, like after sunset and all, then durato drishyamane, from far you see something. In that vastuni, sthanurva purushova. Now that tree, is it sthanu or purusha? You don't know. Vaiti samshaya sati. Vane atra bhillanam samchara sambhavati iti. That in this forest, the bhilla means the tribal people in the forest, those who live in forest, that they could be moving here, they might be looking for something. So bhillanam samchara sambhavati iti etavata. By this, I am purusha eva. This person must be purusha also. Why? Because in the evening, the bhillas, the tribal people, they move around in forest. Remember, you will have only sambhavana. It is purusha alone, you can't confirm. So that's why, purusha eva iti nishchayo nahi jayate. That nahi is there from beginning. This nishchaya will not be there. Sambhavana will be there. That these people could be there here. तथा च अत्र चित् प्रतिबिंब संबंधात् मनसः प्रमातृत्वम इति कथम निश्चय इति आशय. In the same way here also, through चित् प्रतिबिंब संबंध, mind becomes pramata. चित् प्रतिबिंब संबंधात् मनसः प्रमातृत्वम. So mind along with chidabhasa, chit pratibimba, is called pramata. Iti katham nishchaya. How will you certainly say that? Iti ashaya. So when this question is asked, which pramana will have to give on chit pratibimba? Pratyakshadi pramana will not work because they will not tell what is chit pratibimba. If that was known through pratyaksha pramana, we would have known it in childhood itself. So now, Shruti, so many Shruti pramanas are given. Rupam pratirupo babu shrunu. Rupam pratirupo babhuva tadasya rupam pratichakshanaya. Rupam pratirupo babhuva. Now this rupam shabda, so in bhashya, rupam is just translated as, rupam means every form, every upadhi. So that Paramatma took all upadhis and as though he became all in each upadhi. Rupam pratirupo babhuva. So pratirupam means he took all these forms and became all. Tadasya rupam pratyakshanaaya, and this rupam is for tad asya atmanah, of this atma. Rupam is for pratichakshana, means for vyavahara, for vyavaharaya, pratichakshanaya vyavaharaya. Tika. Rupam iti रूप्यते अनेन तद्रूपम मनः. रूप्यते अनेन तद्रूपम. Now, how this रूप्यते अनेन? So he explains. व्यवहारार्थकात् रूपधातोः करणे घञ् प्रत्ययः. घञ् प्रत्यय, so dhatu here is rupa dhatu, and rupa dhatu's arth is what? Vyavahara. Actually, Rupa Dhatu's artha, it is Rupa Kriyayam, and Rupa Kriyayam means Rupasya Darshanam Karanam. Rupa Dhatu is for Rupasya Darshanam and Karanam. So here Karana artha he has taken. Rupa Dhatoho Karane Ghaya Pratyaya. Karana means that instrument by which Rupa will be seen. That's why Rupyate anena tadrupam. That by which Rupam will be seen. So what is that by which Rupam will be seen? All forms will be experienced. That is mind. So tadrupam manaha. So Rupyate anena tadrupam manaha. Okay, this is Karane Ghaya. In Karana, the Ghaya Pratyaya is used. For example, in Adhyasa Bhashya also, you know what is the definition of Adhyasa given in Adhyasa Bhashya? Definition is Smriti Rupaha Paratra Purvadrashto Avabhasaha. Adhyasa is Smriti Rupaha Paratra Purvadrashta Avabhasa. So there, Avabhasa Shabda is understood in two different ways. Avabhasanam, avabhasa if you do, lyut pratyaya, then avabhasanam will become jnanam. Jnanam. Avabhasanam is jnanam. In bhava, lyut pratyaya. And if you do ghaya pratyaya, then in karma, that ghaya pratyaya will be karmani ghaya. It will become avabhasate. Iti avabhasaha. Means the object, artha. In this way, you have jnanadhyasa and arthadhyasa. Two meanings of the same definition, depending upon the pratyaya. So just to give you a connection. And in Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Sara Sangraha, in the Tika, this is also explained in Shankara Prasadini. So how one definition is used for Arthadhyasa and same definition also used for Jnanadhyasa, depending upon which pratyaya you are going to apply there. Because both adhyasas are there. What is the understanding of both adhyasa? What is jnana dhyasa? And should I go there or no need of going there right now? Let's move forward. Atma hi manasa eva aham iti vyavahriyate. Atma alone, with the help of mind, aham iti vyavahriyate. So, what is the vyavahararthaka rupa dhatu? Vyavahara is in the form of Atma's vyavahara. How Atma will transact itself, express itself? Aham, aham, aham. With the help of mind. So, Atma hi manasa eva aham iti vyavahriyate. And it is said, this is the meaning of the word rupam rupam. Rupam rupam. So, how you should understand rupam rupam? Rupam rupam here means aham, aham. All beings are expressing here themselves in the form of aham, aham. Now you say, the Upanishad mantra says Rupam Rupam. You are giving the meaning Aham Aham. What is the connection between Rupam Rupam and Aham Aham? So for that, that Rupa Dhatu is Vyavahararthaka. Vyavahara, the means of Vyavahara, the Karana is there, and therefore in Karana Ghaya Pratyaya is done, and the means is mind, and in mind, when Chit Pratibimba takes place, then Atma expresses as Aham Aham. So meaning of the word Rupam Rupam became Aham Aham. So simple understanding of Rupam is what? Each form, every form, over. But this is what, the Tikakar, how they explain things. So Manasa eva Atma hi Aham Aham iti vyavahariyate. Pratirupa shabdaha pratibimbarthaka. And Pratirupa means in every Pratibimba. Pratibimbarthaka means in the form of the reflected entity. So Paramatma Manasi. See, Prati means you have to say twice. Dwaram prati gacchati. So prati dwaram gacchati means dwaram prati. He goes to, means when we say twice, doesn't mean it is twice. Twice means as many as available or possible. Like when it is said, Hrishyami cha punaha, again and again. Again and again means twice, because punah twice it is said. Again and again means again and again, like that. Pratibodha viditam matam. Bodham prati. Bodham prati means 2 times it is given. Bodham. So how many times, in how many knowledge Atma will be there expressed? Not in 2 bodha. Every bodha. Bodham prati viditam. Like that, neti means not 2 negation. All negations. So, Pratirupa Shabdaha Pratibimbartha. Paramatma Manasi Pratibimba Rupena. Manasi means starting from Brahmaji. In Brahmaji's Antakaran also Paramatma is expressing as Pratibimba. And in mosquito or an ant which is there in your room, or a spider which constantly is busy creating its own web, which you have not cleaned in some time, in that also, in its mind also, Paramatma is expressing. That Paramatma I am. In this way I should think. So when generally we see a mosquito and our first reaction is, where did this fellow come from? And at that time, if I remember, the mind of this is reflected by me. And when this mosquito also went to sleep, it came to my Swarupa. Like everybody, Vyagrova, Simhova, Vrukova, Varahova, Damshova, Mashakova, Kitova, Patangova. Kit, Patang, Dansha, Mashaka means all these flies and gnat and mosquitoes, and all of them, when they go to sleep, they also come to my Swarupa, just as Vyagra, Simha, etc. and all other human beings. In Upadesh Sahasri, in one place, Bhagavan Bhashyakar has given a shloka that all these Brahmaji and all, their forms are my forms only. In this way, one should meditate. So, one is meditation that their Chidabhasa is my expression. Second is their Sthula Sharira, Sukshma Sharira is also my expression. It's not that Sthula, Sukshma Sharira they have on their own, only Chidabhasa is me. Everything is me because I am Jagad Upadanam. So, Paramatma Manasi Pratibimba Rupena Avishad iti Tatparyam. So, in this way, Nididhyasanam should go on. Tadasya iti, another quotation. Tadasya Rupam Pratichakshanaya, second line. Pratichakshanam. What is Pratichakshanam? Vyavahar Visheshaha. So, Pratichakshanam means Vyavahara. And here Vyavahara only is in the form of Aham. अस्य परमात्मनस्तद्रूपं मनसि प्रविष्टं प्रतिबिम्बस्वरूपम् अहम् इति व्यवहाराय आचार्य शिष्यादि रूपेण अध्यापन अध्ययनादि व्यवहाराय च पर्याप्तम् इत्यर्थः। प्रतिचक्षणं व्यवहाराय। व्हाट इज व्यवहार विशेष? अस्य परमात्मनः तद्रूपं मनसि प्रविष्टं। दैट परमात्मा's रूप means Paramatma as Chaitanya has entered in the mind, manasi pravishtam, pratibimba swarupam, and that pratibimba where Sakshi has become Pramata now. Because the whole idea is to explain this only. Sakshi becomes Pramata. As though, and now Pramata can say aham aham, bimba swarupam aham iti vyavaharaya, for the sake of this vyavahara. And what is this vyavahara? Acharya Shishyadi Rupena. He will take these two roles. One role will become Acharya, another role will become Shishya. Shishyacharyataya tathaiva पितृपुत्राद्यात्मना भेदतः स्वप्ने जागृति वाय एष पुरुषो माया परिभ्रामितः तस्मै श्री गुरुमूर्तये नमः इदं श्री दक्षिणामूर्तये. That same Dakshinamurti becomes Shishya and Acharya, Pita, Putra, and all Sambandhas. So in Shishya Acharya, Acharya Shishya is Adhyapana Adhyayana. One takes the role of teaching, another takes the role of studying. In Panchadashi 10th chapter it says, in the Uttama Sharira, it becomes Devata. Vishnu Adyuttama Rupeshu Pravishto Devata Bhavat. And Martyadi Adhama Sharireshu Sthito Bhavat Bhajati Devata. In Martyadi Adhama Sharira, when he enters, now he has to do worship. So Upasya Upasaka. Shishya Acharya, Pita Putra, Upasya Upasaka, like that different Vedas. Of what? One Paramatma. अध्यापन अध्ययनादि व्यवहाराय च पर्याप्तम् इत्यर्थः. माया इति माया भासेन जीवेशौ करोति. नेक्स्ट कोटेशन. व्हाट इज माया? अविद्या. आभासेन. Abhasa means pratibimba here. So all these shrutis quotations are given where pratibimba is accepted. Abhasa, tika. आभास प्रतिबिंबम. माया परमात्म शक्ति ही अविद्याख्या. माया विच इज अविद्या, विच इज परमात्मा शक्ति. स्वाश्रयम एकमपि परमात्मानम. पर माया अविद्या हैज ओनली वन आश्रय. सो आश्रय हियर इज परमात्मा, नॉट जीव. दिस इज विवरण प्रस्थान मतम हियर. स्वाश्रयम एकमपि परमात्मानम स्वस्मिन् स्वकार्ये च प्रतिबिंबवशात् जीवेश भेदेन विभक्तं करोति. स्वस्मिन् स्वकार्ये च प्रतिबिंबवशात्. In one's own self and in one's own effects. Swasmin means in avidya and avidya karya. Pratibimbavashat जीवेश भेदेन विभक्तं करोति इत्यर्थः. It gets split into two. So in Maya, it becomes Ishvara, and then in Avidya, or you say in Vishuddha Sattva, the Pratibimba becomes Ishvara, and Malina Sattva Jiva. This is how Panchadashikar has explained in first chapter, and generally because majority of Vedanta sadhakas, they study Panchadashi, at least few chapters. For 1 to 10 is generally studied, 11 to 15 people don't do much adhyanam. But so everybody has this much samskara, this is common. But in Pratibhimbavada and all, in Vivrana Prasthana, this is not accepted. See, in this Drishtanta, in Panchadashi, they say Bimba is Brahma and Ishvara Jiva both are Pratibimba. But in Vivrana Prasthana, they say Ishvara is Bimba and Jiva is Pratibimba. Ishvara is Bimba and Jiva is Pratibimba. So now here, what they said is Pratibimba Vashat Jiva Isha Bhedena Vibhaktam Karoti. So you can understand both ways. This Vakya is such that Paramatma becomes Jiva also and Ishvara as Pratibimba, or you say Paramatma is Bimba and Jivatma is Pratibimba. And with respect to Jivatma as Pratibimba, Bimba gets the name Ishvara. Did you catch that sentence? With respect to Jivatma as Pratibimba, Paramatma as Bimba gets the name Ishvara. So this is the difference. Paramatma is actually Bimba only and Jiva alone is Pratibimba. So in Vivrana Prasthana, this is how it is understood. If it is not clear, some of that will come probably in the afternoon session. We will see it a little more. Okay. Somebody may say, why all these things matter to me? Why? Just let me do my bhajan kirtan and why this is so complicated? So actually speaking, if you are not ready to push your mind, intellect and make it subtle, then this whole text and all such texts, this is actually the easy one. Okay, the Brahat Prasthana and all, like Chit Sukhi, Advait Siddhi, they will sound terrible texts. Because you will think, what is the purpose of all this? And they will say this is all hair splitting. If somebody feels like that, then they should not study such granthas. These granthas are meant for, see, when Madhusudan Saraswati ji and all these great acharyas, they write such texts, they have only specific audience in their mind. They go for such people only, and they have only themselves in the mind actually. It's their class. Anyway. So, Pratibimba Vashat Jivesha Bhedena Vibhaktam Karoti Ityartha. Ekadha iti. Now, this is Brahma Bindu Upanishad or Amrita Bindu Upanishad. Same mantra is there, same number also. एक एव हि भूतात्मा भूते भूते व्यवस्थितः एकधा बहुधा चैव दृश्यते जलचंद्रवत्. एक एव हि भूतात्मा, one alone atma, that which is the being, bhute bhute vyavasthitah. Bhute bhute means not two, all beings, in all beings it is present. Ekadha bahudha chaiva, in one way and in many ways, like the moon. So moon is one in the sky, so that is Ishvara, Ekadha. And Bahudha is Jiva, Pratibimba. So Bimba and Pratibimba. With respect to Pratibimba, Bimba gets the name Ishvara with respect to Jiva. So like if I am doing prayers, then who will listen to prayer? Brahman, Shuddha Brahma cannot listen to prayers. Why? Because it doesn't do anything. Na shrunoti. So then you need Maya Upahita Brahma, who will listen to our prayers. So Ekadha Swabhavataha Ekaswarupopi Paramatma. Ekadha means Swabhavataha Ekaswarupa, of one nature alone. Paramatma Jala Pratibhimbita Chandravat Manasi Manasi Pravishya. Like Jala Pratibhimba, Manasi Manasi Pravishya, having entered in the mind. Bahuswarupo Drishyata iti smrityarthaha. So here this Acharya has quoted this as a smriti. Actually it is there in Upanishad also, Brahma Bindu Upanishad, but he says it is a smriti grantha, so some other smriti also might have same quotation. मनसि मनसि प्रविश्य बहुस्वरूपो दृश्यते इत्यर्थः। एवं परमात्मनः प्रतिबिम्बे श्रुति स्मृति रूपं शब्द प्रमाणं प्रदर्श्य, एवं in this way Paramatmanah Pratibimbe of the Paramatma, the Pratibimba is there in Shruti Smriti Rupam. So actually Smriti Pramana is not given, even though this Ekaiva Bhutatma might be copied somewhere in Smriti, originally Shruti only. So Shruti, and if there is Smriti, then Shruti Smriti Rupam Shabda Pramanam. So that is our Shabda Pramana. Pradarshya, having shown, Arthapatti Pramanam Pradarshayati. Next is Arthapatti Pramanam. So see in the Moolam now. Maya Bhasena Jiveshau Karoti Ityadi Shrutihi. Maya Bhasena Jivesha Karoti Ityadi Shrutihi. That we saw, that quotation. Sa etameva Simanam Vidarya. Sa eshu iha pravishta. Sa esha iha pravishta. Not eshu. Eshu could be there in Madhyandina Shakha. We cannot deny it, but Kanva Shakha reading is Esha. So just go by Esha only. Sa esha iha pravishta. स एतमेव सीमानं विदार्य तया द्वारा प्रापद्यत. So सह एष परमात्मा आनखाग्रे प्रविष्टः इह प्रविष्टः, that is given in Brihadaranyaka. It has entered here, iha pravishta. And sa etameva simanam vidarya, having broken the sima, means the top head, which is a sima, simanam vidarya, having broken the skull, taya dwara prapadyata, by that the Paramatma has entered. Sitika. Sa esha Paramatma iha. Iha, what is the meaning of the word iha? Karma phala ashrayeshu ashanayadi matsu brahmadi stamba paryanteshu deheshu pravishtaha ityarthaha. That Paramatma has entered in this, all these different bodies which are the karma phala ashraya. So karma phala ashraya is there. As long as karma phala is going on, body is there. Karma phala is over, body will go. And this karma phala ashraya is what kind? Ashanayadi matsu. Ashanaya pipasa, shoka moha and jara mrityu. They all are there. Brahmadi stamba paryanteshu. Starting from Brahmaji all the way up to stamba, blade of grass. Deheshu pravishta ityartha. It has entered in all these bodies. The next quotation is sa etamiti. Saha Paramatma etameva murdham. Murdha is madhyabhagam, not murdham, murdha. Murdha is madhyabhagam. Eva kapala sandhi rupam simanam sthana vishesham vedarya. This kapala sandhi, as though two skulls are joined together. Two parts of the head, they are put together. Like the top part and the bottom part, you can say, or right and left part. I think if you do right left, then the center will come proper. So kapala sandhi rupam simanam sthana vishesham vidarya. Vidarya, vidre is to split. Dri dhatu is in the form of splitting. Dri hinsayam. Dri vidarane also should be there. So in the form of split. Dri vidarane is there. So Paramatma splits the head. Vidarya tena dvarena dehe pravishat ityarthaha. It enters. And then the next one is tat srishtva tadeva anupravishtaha pravishat tadeva anupravishat. It entered. So tat srishtva Paramatma tat karya jatam srishtva utpadya swena utpadite tatra swayam pravishat ityartha. Having created tat karyajatam srishtva means utpadya, then tatra swayam pravishat. He entered there himself. So srishtva, that tva pratyaya is there. It shows that the the one who has entered and the one who has created is the same, because having created, he entered. So both the kriyas have same karta. What is the sutra? Kartrakayoho पूर्वकाले, समान कर्तृकयोः पूर्वकाले. तत्कार्यदात्म सृष्ट्वा उत्पाद्य स्वेन उत्पादिते तत्र स्वयं प्राविशते. आसु श्रुतिषु देहादौ परमात्मनः प्रवेशः प्रतिपादितः. In all the Shruti, in body etc., Paramatma's pravesha is pratipadita. Paramatma's pravesha is established. सच यथा बहिस्थितो देवदत्तो गृहं प्रविशति तथा अत्र न संभवति. Just as the बहिस्थित देवदत्ता गृहं प्रविशति, Devadatta is outside, how he enters the house, na tatha atra sambhavati. This is not like Devadatta entering. Why? Because Devadatta was outside the house, not inside. Then it enters. When Paramatma creates this universe, Paramatma is already there inside. What is the point of entering then? So, when it is said entry means, this is where Paramatma is available. Paramatma is available in little different form. Anena jivena atmana anupravishya namarupe vyakarvani. So, Paramatma is available differently. Like how I gave you the idea that Paramatma is 100 minus 75. But that Paramatma is available as 50 minus 25. So, as though in a different structure, same thing is available. Different structure means different enclosure. Sarvavyapinaha Paramatmanaha Kwapi Bahisthitatva Asambhavat. Paramatma is Sarvavyapi. So, you can't say it was outside and then it entered. Like Devadatta was outside and it has entered. So, Bahisthitatva Asambhavat. Tathacha Shruti Pratipaditasya Praveshasya Anyathanupapatya Paramatmanaha Pratibimbam Kalpate. And Tathacha Shruti Pratipaditasya Praveshasya. That Shruti Pratipadita Pravesha Anyatha Anupapatya. There is no other way to understand. So, the only way to understand is that this is the Paramatma's Pratibimba. Paramatmanaha Pratibimbam Kalpate. Yatha Mukham Darpane Pratibimbitam Sat Pravishtam Iva Bhavati Tadvat. Mukham Darpane Pratibimbitam. Just as the face in the Darpana Pratibimbitam Sat Pravishtam Iva. So, as though it has entered there, Pravishtam Iva. Sat Pravishtam Iva Bhavati Tadvat. Like that, Paramatma is also as though entered. What has happened is, it is available as Pratibimba. That's all. Pratibimbam ched Swachha Antakaranado Vyaktam Bhavati. And that Pratibimba is available only in Swachha Antakarana. Swachha Antakarana means Antakarana is Swachha by its nature because of, how is Antakarana Swachha? Because it has Sattva as its Upadanam. Therefore, Swachha Antakarana. Ado Vyaktam Bhavati. Tadevacha Jiva Shabdena Vyapadishyate. And that alone is used as Jiva Shabda. See in the Moolam now. Tat Srishtva Tadevanu Pravishad Ityadi Pravesha Shrutyartha Nyatha Nupapatti. Pravesha Shrutyartha Nyatha Nupapatti. This Ityadi Pravesha Shrutyartha Anyatha Anupapatti. The Shruti Artha cannot be understood in any other way. Shruti Artha Anyatha Anupapatti. Okay. This Shrutyartha Anyatha Anupapatti, this in Nyaya Ratnavali, this part is Shrutyartha Patti. So generally when I have taught, I always use what is there, that Nyaya Ratnavali part. Instead of Shrutyartha Anyatha Anupapattihi, Shrutyarthapatti. So I think if you write down there, and I will explain what that means. First you note, it is Shrutyarthapattihi. What is Shrutyarthapatti? You have Shruti Pramana, Shabda Pramana. And there is one Pramana called Arthapatti Pramana. What is the Drishtanta of Arthapatti? Devadatta Diva na bhungte tathapi peenam drishyate. So Ratri Bhojanam Vina Devadattasya Peenatvam Anupapannam. This is the Arthapatti Pramana. In Vedanta Paribhasha, Ratri Bhojanam Vina Devadattasya Peenatvam Anupapannam. So unless he is eating at night, he cannot be fat. In the same way, here what is said is, unless the entry refers to Pratibimba, there is no other way entry can be explained. So this Pravesha Shruti, entry, Pravesh Shruti means entry Shruti. That Paramatma has entered. This entry, unless you explain it in the form of Pratibimba, you cannot explain entry. Why? Because there is no scope for entry. You understood the difference between earlier quotation that Rupam Rupam Pratirupo Bhavubhava Eka eva hi bhutatma and Maya abhasena karoshi karoti ji ityadi shruti. Those shrutis, and then these three shrutis, Esha iha pravishta simanam vidarya tat srishtva tadevanu pravishat. There is a difference between first three shrutis and next three shrutis. First you caught that idea or not? There is some difference. The first three shrutis are used as Shruti Pramana directly, whereas the next three shrutis are used as Shruti Arthapatti Pramana. They are not directly Shruti Pramana. They are Artha. That's why it is given. Ityadi Pravesh Shruti Artha Anyatha Anupapatti. Anyatha Anupapatti means Upapatti. So that's why it is called Shruti Arthapatti. That is Arthapatti Pramana. Arthapatti is otherwise also known as Anyatha Anupapatti. So you note these things. Means if you enjoy these things, this is the thing. Like 6 Shrutis are quoted, but they all first 3 have different purpose and next 3 have different purpose. So this, just as Devadatta without eating at night cannot be fat. Why? Because he is not eating in the daytime. In the same way, Shruti, when they talk about Paramatma's entry into the bodies, all Shariras, there is no scope, there is no possibility of entry. Why? Because he is already there. It's not that Paramatma was somewhere and it has to enter. It was already there. So therefore you have to understand those Shruti in some other way. Just as the Peenatvam of Devadatta, you have to understand it differently. Why? Because he is not eating during the daytime. So daytime eating possibility is eliminated. And fatness is still there. Therefore, other than if he was not eating at night, fatness would not be there. In the same way, the entry Shruti, unless they are trying to show Pratibimba, entry Shruti would not make sense. And when they say Pratibimba means availability, just as sun is present up in the sky but available in the water. My face is here but has entered in the mirror. My face has entered in the mirror means what? It is available for Vyavahara in mirror. And what is the Vyavahara? If I want to put Vibhuti, Chandan, if I want to shave, then that vyavahara can be facilitated. So for claiming aham brahmasmi, pratibimba is available. This is the main point, Shrutyarthapatti. Now sutra is given. So Shruti, then Shrutyarthapatti. Now abhasa evacha, ata evacha, upama, suryakadivat, ityadi, paramarsha sutrani cha tatra manani. Paramarsha sutra means Brahma Sutra. Paramarishi sutras, they are also tatra manani or tatra manani. Another reading is also there, tatra manani. Tika. Abhasa iti. Esha jivaha paramatmanaha abhaso jalasurya-kadivat pratibimba bhuta eva pratyatavya. This jiva is abhasa of Paramatma, like Surya appearing in Jala. Jala Surya-kadivat pratibimba bhuta eva pratyatavya. Now you see the next line, so beautiful. Na Paramatma eva sakshat. Napi vastvantaram iti sutrartha. In that sutra, Bhagavan Vedvyasi, what he is trying to say, and Bhagavan Bhashyakara has explained, that this abhasa, which is a sutra 2350, abhasa evacha, this abhasa is not Paramatma, na Paramatma eva. Napi vastvantaram, not different from Paramatma either. What is this Jivatma? It is not Paramatma, but it is not different from Paramatma. This is the Abhasavada. So, Abhasavada Prakriya is based on this sutra. Abhasa evacha. Abhasavada, who is the proponent of Abhasavada? Vartikakar, Sureshwaracharya ji. Pratibimbavada is Padmapadacharya, Vivranakar. After Padmapada, Swayam Prakash Yati. So, here he says, Jiva is not Paramatma, Jiva is not different from Paramatma. Iti Sutrartha. Ataeva iti. And now, Ataeva, another one is Ataeva cha upama Suryakadivat. Ataeva iti Atmaikyadeva cha Jivasya Shrutau Suryakadivat iti upama upadiyata iti sutrartha. Just as Atma Aikya, Jivasya, Jiva is one with Atma. Atma Aikya Devacha Jivasya Shrutau, just as sun and reflection of sun are one. So they are one in one way. Suryakadivat iti upama upadiyate. This upama is accepted. So now you see in Sutra, in second chapter, he has said it is Abhasa eva. And in third chapter, he says Ata eva cha upama. So both ways, and that's how both different ideas are there, Pratibimba and Abhasa, which we will take up in the next session. We'll start with Yatha hi ayam, that part. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om.